It's me. Did you miss me or not? What is new? What is up? I'm excited. Are you? I know you miss me. You don't even have to tell me. I just know. Hey guys, MakeupSy here. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. It's been a minute. Honestly, if you hear anything in the background, it's most likely the heat that is on. My mom probably going from room to room, who knows. But nevertheless, we ain't stressing. Okay, I've been gone for a little minute. I know I dropped a little video here and there. I believe the last video that I dropped was the cooking video, the HelloFresh cooking video. So I hope you guys check that out. I've been having a little less motivation these days. I've broken out really bad, as you guys can see right here. It's pretty even compared to the first time it actually happened. I'll probably put some pictures up here, but yeah, that's how my skin was looking. It was just bad. So I haven't been really, I've been like trying different stuff. I honestly did like my same skincare routine. I tried pretty much everything for my skin, no lie. I was just trying to stay consistent with like 1 or 2 products and seeing how that went. I kept going with the witch hazel and the aloe vera gel just because I know that those are 2 of my toners, and it also helps with the itching because it does itch. I don't really know what is exactly wrong with my skin. To this day, I still don't know. Honestly, the only thing that I've been doing is continuously washing my face and praying because I don't really know what else to do. Just a little bit insecure about my skin as a whole. I've been trying to basically get my skin back together before I start filming videos and things of that nature. I haven't filmed a makeup tutorial since December. I haven't even put on makeup since December. And that's because of my skin. I was a little bit insecure about that. As you guys know, I've always had good skin. It's just been my whole entire life, and recently sis just decided no more. So I just been praying and just trying to allow God to, you know, bless this skin of mine, get it back to where it needs to be. But nevertheless, never stress, always blessed. Okay, so I just been brainstorming, trying to get like a couple of videos together for you guys. I've been buying new products, so unboxing videos are on the way. I'm excited because I'm about to start back filming makeup videos. I know. I just feel like I shouldn't let my skin be a burden on me being MakeupSy. You know what I mean? Like, that is my name. That is like my brand, and you know, I don't want that to be like a discouragement to me, because it had discouraged me like, whoo, child, in the beginning when I just didn't know like how my skin was doing. It was just bad. Okay, now I just feel like God gave me like a new profound way of thinking and a way of living, that I can just conquer anything. Nothing can hold me back, because I feel like that is what really held me back. Although I still been getting a lot of subscribers, still been getting a lot of support, but the fact that I haven't been filming, that's a no-no. But other than that, we're gonna be back on track. So the other thing was, I lost my grandfather March 1st, 2020, and it kind of hit me a little hard, I'm not gonna lie, because I thought that was a really good time in my life, but it wasn't. And it hit me kind of hard, so I kind of like fell back even more with my YouTube, but I didn't let that drain me or bring me down, because I know how I am when I can get into my depression. It'll just drag me to the ground. So I thank God that he was there with me, because I've been, you know, helping my mom with my grandfather since last year when they moved back to Chicago. And it was really tough in the beginning. And then I started to realize, you know, just trying to prepare myself for that moment when he actually passed. And I thought I was there mentally, but I wasn't. I was really bad. Like, it was really bad. But it was like one of those bittersweet type of moments. Like I was actually kind of happy that he wasn't suffering anymore. And then I was actually sad that, oh my God, it actually happened. Like he's really gone. So I thought I was past this, but I'm a crybaby. So yes. So, you know, just the fact that he actually was gone, you know, it was just one of those moments where I had to prepare myself. And I thought I was prepared, but I wasn't. So, okay, I'm back. I had to just get that out. But, yeah, I'm actually a little better. You know, like I said, I have my moments and stuff like that. I think everybody does when they think about someone that they, you know, love. So fast forward, I explained a little bit about what I've been doing after that, how I got sick and stuff like that in my previous video. So like I said, check that out. I think I'm really like motivated. Like I've been feeling like really motivated. I've been like watching tutorials. I've been buying new stuff. I have honey, when I say I got some good stuff on the way, I have some good stuff on the way. I'm actually like really overly excited about this tutorial that I'm trying to do. And I'm just like, let me hurry get these other ones out the way so I can help and do that one. I'm trying to do it in orderly fashion. Like I really want to make sure everything just like a stepping block. So that way I won't have to just put out this video and it makes no sense to the other videos. I'm going to be back on track as far as filming and, you know, just staying positive, honestly. Throughout all this stuff that's going on, I'm just trying to stay as positive as possible. Staying productive, and just staying prayed up. I mean, that's just the best thing I can do, is just staying prayed up. Honestly, I've just been trying to spread as much encouragement as I possibly can. That's just pretty much what I've been up to. It was just like a little quick update. And you know, reason why I haven't been filming makeup tutorials is because of my skin and just more so my self-confidence haven't been there. I just look back at some of my pictures and I just be like, oh my God, girl, this look was so bomb. Like, why don't makeup can't you look like that now, you know? And like whenever I do eyeshadow, I feel like I could have just did it better than that. I could have did that better than that. So I'm gonna stop beating myself up because honestly, I'm tired of giving myself black eyes. I need to start just uplifting myself instead of beating myself down. And that's what I think I'm at in life, is just pushing myself, motivating myself to just go further and do better. You know, without further ado, we're gonna start back slaying. We're gonna start back praying, and we're gonna stop delaying. Ooh, I like that. I like that. I do. That was good. So, you know, I'm back on YouTube. I just wanted to just make a little introduction. Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is Sy, S to the Y, cause I'm so fly, and I ain't gonna lie. But whatever, hope that you guys missed me. I hope that you guys still love me, and I hope that you guys are still gonna support me, because yes, I am back. And I'm coming to bring the slayage. Okay, bye.